G'day, this is a quick video about TCP statistics on FreeBSD. The agenda for the video is a quick motivation, some of the background, why I'm doing this and what the history is, a quick discussion about the bsd TCP repo, which is where I did most of the development, then a short discussion about the new module tcpstats for FreeBSD. This video is partially in support of the pull request I'm about to send through, and then there'll be a quick demo of it running on a FreeBSD system. So the motivation is that doing TCP analysis to see socket behavior is very useful for a lot of troubleshooting and performance tuning. And so we've been able to do that on Linux for a long time, and there hasn't been an equivalent tool for BSD or for Mac. So that's what this tool is about. Where this all stemmed from was that I'd previously built a tool for pulling the stats out of the Linux kernel. The Linux kernel's got this netlink interface that lets you pull out the statistics, and so I was doing that at scale, streaming it into Kafka and then putting in big ClickHouse, and it's very useful for this type of performance analysis, and there just wasn't something similar for FreeBSD. So most of this work was done in this bsd TCP repo. I actually created the kernel module there, the client code, which is some Rust, and I did a lot of testing in there. So there's a lot of static analysis, linting, and then I actually built a whole lot of integration tests. So it would spin up thousands of sockets and then poll those, and I did that for like 24 hours, that sort of thing, just to make sure that the kernel module's rock solid. So I think it's in pretty good state. And then I've basically slightly adapted the code that's in the bsd TCP repo to more closely suit the FreeBSD kernel. And here's just some output from the terminal on a FreeBSD 14.4 that just came out the other day, and then on 15 it works on both. And then I'll include a quick video showing a demo of loading the kernel module and then running the client tool that talks to the kernel module and prints out the statistics as JSON. This next video is a quick demo of running the bsd-xtcp Rust client on macOS. So the same client will run talking to the FreeBSD kernel module, and also the macOS already supports the capability we need. So it's just a quick example of that.